Hello and welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna talk about how to stop spam comment on WordPress, or how you can block spam comment on your WordPress website. So for that we'll gonna use a plugin. So first of all, log into your dashboard and then go plugin section and then add new. So after that, here you can see the features plugin called Akismet anti-spam. So we are going to use it, this plugin. If you didn't find it here, then just search it here in anti-spam. Just search it anti-spam, then you will gonna find it. So this plugin name is Akismet anti-spam. So just click install and wait for some time to install it, and then click active. So after that you have to set up this plugin. So you already see my comment section is 67 comment is already I am receiving lots of spam comments. So this is the best way to stop spam comment on your website. So just click set up your Akismet account, and here click set up your account. We have to create a account. You don't have to pay if you using only for your personal blog, and if you want to use it commercial, then you can choose their plan. So I am not in affiliation with this plugin, so I am just using Get Personal. And here you can see the price range. Just click and drag it to 0/year, and here you will write your email. So I am writing my email address here. Paste, and then first name, last name, and then site URL. And after that just click this 3 option and then click connect with personal subscription, and you have to confirm the email address. So just check your email, make sure to check spam folder if you didn't find it in your inbox, and copy the verification code and paste it here. Okay, then click continue. It will take some time, so just wait. Okay, now you can see how you can setting up this plugin. So just click settings and then click manually enter API key, then copy the API key and copy the API key from your email address. You should get here, you can see the API key is already sent me a API key. So I'm just copying the API key. Okay, here you go, and then here you can see I already have the option to manually enter API key. So I'm clicking here and clicking paste, connect with API key. It will take some time. So here you will see it is now protected my site from spam. So you need to do some setting. So here I will see the stickiness. Simply discard the words and most possible spam, so I never see it, and show the number of approved comment beside is comment author. I'm gonna click this option and then click save change. So I think that's the setting. So now you won't receive any spam comment. It will automatically delete it or make it the spam folder. You can see I have received lots of spam comment recently. Okay, so that's it for now. I will see you in the next video.